Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ASUS Phoenix GeForce GTX 1650 OC. OC stands for overclocking. Yeah, this is the overclocking edition with 4GB GDDR6 RAM. RAM is random access memory, and this is built on your graphic card itself, because this RAM is faster than the RAM which is built on your motherboard. It is more performance for games and graphic processes. It is our ticket into personal computer gaming. The OC edition boost clock is 1635 MHz in overclocked mode and 1605 MHz in gaming mode. The ASUS Phoenix GeForce GTX 1650 is built with the breakthrough graphics performance of the award-winning Nvidia Turing architecture to supercharge our favorite games. Of course, it will not work on the high-end Class A titles on the market, which will release in the next 3 or up to 5 years in maximum ultra mode, of course, because this is a medium performance card here, but it is enough to play the games which are now supported on the market really nice and really good. Ultra fast GDDR6 with over 50% more memory bandwidth for high-speed gaming. The GeForce Experience lets us capture and share videos, screenshots, and live streams with friends. Keep the GeForce drivers up to date and easily optimize our in-game settings. Axial-tech fan design features a smaller fan hub that facilitates longer blades and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure. The dual ball fan bearings can last up to twice as long as sleeve bearing designs. And an outer extreme technology is built in. This uses automation to enhance the reliability. A compact design maximizes the compatibility. A stainless steel bracket is harder and more resistant to corrosion. And GPU Tweak 2 provides intuitive performance tweaking, thermal controls, and system monitoring. Yeah. Packs a punch. The Phoenix graphics cards packs as much performance as possible into a compact design that offers a wide range of compatibility with small chassis, limited space bags, an efficient cooling system, and the Phoenix GeForce GTX 1650 delivers with a powerful Axial-tech van. Whenever we are upgrading an outdated card or building our first gaming rig, the Phoenix is a potent package that delivers latest generation performance. And in our case, we are going to tune up an old rig at home. And we begin with a graphic card like that here, because it has an Axial-tech fan design, newly designed for the latest generation of top and ROG graphic cards. This fan features a smaller hub that facilitates longer blades and a barrier ring to increase down rates and air pressure. And this is really nice. The standard fan designs there on the graphic cards, the fans it says, was so tiny and small. It's not enough for modern graphic cards. So the Axial-tech van design is really awesome. And it's not enough. We have a dual ball fan bearings. This will 2 times longer lifespan. Different bearing types have unique pros and contras. Ball bearings excel at durability and can last up to twice as long as sleeve bearing designs. And this is engineering. Stainless steel bracket, the mounting bracket of the Phoenix, has been beefed up with 304 stainless steel that is harder and more resistant to corrosion. And you have an outer extreme technology built in. The outer extreme technology is an automated manufacturing process that sets new standards in the industry by allowing all soldering to be complete in a single path. This reduces thermal strain on components and avoids the use of harsh cleaning chemicals, resulting in less environmentally impact, lower manufacturing power consumption, and more reliable product overall. And this card is built in a compact design. The pieces fit. The perfect proportions maximize the compatibility with the latest chassis. And we have software. The software we have to load from the ASUS homepage or NVIDIA homepage too. GPU Tweak 2, Monitor, Tweak, and Tune. This is the ASUS GPU Tweak 2 utilities takes graphics card tuning to the next level. It allows us to tweak the critical parameters including GPU core clocks, memory frequency, and voltage settings with the option to monitor everything in real time through a customizable on-screen display. Advanced fan control is also included along with many more features to help us get the most out of our graphic cards at home. And we have XSplit. This offers a premium streaming experience with in-game annotations and other advanced features. We can enjoy a free license with the purchase of the selected ASUS graphics cards. That's awesome. Gamecaster version 2 is on board. And WT Fast, play lag free. They have partnered with WT Fast to help us to play free from lags, latency issues, and lost packets. With a 6 month subscription to the WT Fast Gamer Private Network, we will enjoy lower ping for a smoother, more fluid online game experience. Yes, and this is on board if we buy an ASUS graphic card. Yeah. So don't let it waiting. And experience are coming from NVIDIA G-Sync too. This graphic card supports NVIDIA G-Sync display technology for a super smooth, vibrant refresh rate experience. We can enjoy AAA games without the nonsense of screen tearing or stuttering. Awesome, isn't it? And we will have Turing shaders featuring concurrent execution of floating point and integrated operations, adaptive shading technology, and a new unified memory architecture with twice the cache of its predecessors. NVIDIA Turing shades enable awesome performance increase in today's gaming. And awesome performance, easily upgrade our personal computer and get game ready with performance that's twice as fast as the GeForce GTX 950 and up to 70% faster than the GTX 1050 in the latest games. For example, you can play Tomb Raider with it, High Resolution, Call of Duty Black Ops, and Wolfenstein. And we tried it on Trackmania 2 with over 100 frames per second, and of course Minecraft 2. And we can download GeForce Experience. This is an essential companion to our GeForce graphic card to capture and share videos, screenshots, and live streams with friends, and keep our GeForce drivers up to date easily. And of course, we can optimize our in-game settings with that program. And we can use NVIDIA Ansel. This powerful tool lets us take professional grade screenshots of our games. Now we can record and share our most brilliant gaming experience with super resolution 360-degree HDR and stereoscopic capture modes. And there is more creating, less waiting. Dedicated GPU power accelerate the creative apps we use every day. Combined with NVIDIA Creator Ready Driver, we will get additional performance and reliability to supercharge our creativity. And of course, that graphic card is really awesome to build a new gaming rig at home. We will do that. So check my channel and I will show you how to get these graphic cards into your rig. Phoenix graphic cards packs as much performance as possible into a compact design that offers a wide range of compatibility with small chassis, limited space bags, and efficient cooling system. The Phoenix GeForce GTX 1650 delivers with a powerful Axial-tech van. Whenever we are upgrading an outdated card like our card or building our first gaming rig. Yeah, that's awesome, isn't it? This is the awesome ASUS Phoenix NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 OC Edition gaming graphic card. Your mainboard should support PCI Express 4 times, PCI Express 3.0. We have 4GB GDDR6 RAM memory, HDMI port, DisplayPort, and DVI-D port. And we have an Axial-tech van design. That's all, and that's good in a medium price range. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.